how to perform a factory reset on PS4. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can perform a factory reset on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In today's video I'll guide you on if you'd like to perform a factory reset on your PS4, it's very simple. First of all, just go to the settings option on your PlayStation. Once you go to the PS4 settings option, scroll down and look for various options over here. And over here you should be able to find this option called initialization, which is going to be at the bottom. So go to initialization. And over here you can see initialize PS4, select that option. And we want to do a full wipe because factory resetting means the whole reset thing, right? Click on full, all users and all data will be deleted. So click the initialize option and your PlayStation will get successfully initialized and factory resetted to its latest version. This way you'll be able to factory reset your PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.